Yep.
We do?
Yep.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
Say woohoo! Yay! Okay, ready? Yay!
Clap.
She says, I don't know what
Wait.
I don't know what's
Sophia.
happened.
Sophia, look. Look.
Here, you want it?
Smash
She has
cake.
no problem.
She's like, yay.
She doesn't like the texture.
Scarlett knows exactly what to do. She's like, here, let me help
I did
you.
this yesterday. I did. I know how to do it.
Yeah.
I'll show you what to do.
Actually, I need to do some prodding a little bit too.
That's what it is.
I can handle that.
She doesn't get a lot of sweets.
Eat that monkey.
She wants the monkey.
Get it.
Now you're all shy.
We're letting everybody go.
Okay, stop moving around. I'm trying to keep your wet butt off my legs.
You put the monkey on too firmly.
Oh, it's melting, look.
No, it's melting onto the cake.
I know, she just grabbed hold of it and just wilted over.
Here.
Nah, I don't like him.
Whoa.
Find out what this
Take
is.
a bite.
Mmm.
Well, the good thing is, at least she knows how to grab it.
No, she's done. Look at her.
Hey, look.
Is she gonna be a clean freak when you grow up?
Probably. Look at her mom.
I don't know what it is with kids
take
and
the fondant off.
cake. They're just like, don't want to touch it.
Melissa's a pretty clean freak.
At least she touched it.
You're the reason why she won't date.
Put her, just take her hands and put them in it.
How many baths do you give her a day?
Do a face plant, Melissa.
Remember when Dad showed Brody?
Seriously going in your face in a second. So
Oh yeah.
Oh! Yay! Sophia!
Shove her face in it. Do it.
No.
No. Oh, she's mad.
Oh, she's tortured.
She is not.
What happened?
Take a piece of fork and
Give her a bite.
Give her a spoon.
Casey never had sweet.
See what she does with the spoon in it.
She never ate real food when she was little.
That's what she wants.
What happened to your arm?
It's damn cake she doesn't want.
How?
You should just put a kid on back.
Wow.
Hey, green.
It doesn't take much to bruise.
What are you doing?
She likes to be in
She's not a monkey.
part of the
She's
chair.
gonna kick you in a minute.
Can we quit leaning up against me? Look at this. Look. Quit leaning up against me.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, it fell off your hand.
Look it. Look.
It's a cake, so destroyed.
Yummy.
Yummy.
It's so mushy. She doesn't know what to do.
No bite?
She knows what to do. She's ready to go.
Bite? No.
Oh,
I just wanted to play with it.
Check this out. Here.
Oh, there you go. I just made a fork.
Yummy.
You are not like
You're
normal
okay.
kid.
Yeah, I mean,
I've been telling you that for months.
I'm getting messy, dude.
No
There's a
bite?
chair over there.
That's what Jenna was
Perfect.
looking for.
Right there. Okay.
Breathe as soon as she got her hands
And it's so good. Oh my
She's had enough
god.
of the cake.
Let me get
Okay.
wet towel.
Yeah, she's done.
there's plenty of towels.
Oh, she's.
Oh, wait. You just let her do it on her
So
own.
I say, yeah, get her a
Hey, you
spoon.
need to give her a fork. I mean,
Or
then
give her a
she's all
spoon.
over it.
Melissa, get her a spoon and see what she does with
Yeah,
it.
one of the little ones.
So she doesn't stab herself.
Yeah.
There you go.
Allie stabbed herself with a fork.
It's like right in the eye.
Ah.
But she's
Yeah.
I did it when I was
You did?
A lot of frost.
the cake, yeah.
Allie did.
You're
Sounds
tough.
Just give it to her.
I would cry.
Sophia, here.
I'm a big
She
girl.
wants
I
to
would cry.
hold it.
Torture.
Let me hold it. Watch out, that's
I know.
She knows how to use the spoon.
Yeah. Independent.
Yeah. She doesn't want help. Let me do it.
I'd rather do it myself, starting with a 1-year-old.
I can tell you paper towels aren't going to do much.
Is that your daddy?
Might as well get a rag.
Is that your daddy?
You might as well just leave her to it and then give the rest of the kids some
Yeah.
food.
Cut the cake, Chris.
Yeah, it looks like it's leaning over there. You better hurry. It's gonna melt.
No, it's not. It's not gonna melt.
Yeah, well, remember
Looking like
the
it is. Look at it leaning.
remember the wedding cake yesterday? It was starting to melt.
Right?
That's I'm worried about Christmas. Our friends, it was up at Carrigan, and they had it in the shade for the longest time, which was fine. But then the sun started hitting it, and we're like, "You guys might want to get a cake going." It's melting. It's a Christmas cake. It's just married. Where they have it.
And I don't give it to
At her house outside.
Just
keep it in at 5 o'clock.
Oh.
Either the day. Keep it inside as long as possible. You should be alright.
So this little is chilling there for a minute.
Yeah.
She's enjoying it.
Just kind of bring it out last minute.
She just wants a spoon. And one in her hand.
There you go.
It's chocolate.
She's stabbing the cake.
The frosting.
Yeah.
What it is.
Exactly how Jenna was. She didn't want to get dirty, but they gave her a instructions with the towns.
With
And then when you're there, it's perfect. And the inside is like homemade whipped cream with strawberries.
Oh.
She hit her head.
No, I
Oh
didn't.
my gosh.
Oh, you all look at her like she's worried. She wasn't gonna cry. So you picked her up.
Freak you out.
Okay.
Here you go. She just hit her head. She was
I guess hear you. Well, just let the other kids have a little bit of cake too while she finishes hers.
Yeah.
Be fine.
Let them do their own thing.
Yeah.
Before that thing melts.
Yeah. We want cake.
You know what that
This is
We
recording.
want cake.
Get a cake. And it's fun. And then starting to see if we can get her real quick.
Grab my hat, Kimmy.
You have a piece of corn right here.
Yes, if I were you, I would cut the cake
Babe.
off that pedestal. I would put it flat down.
You want daddy?
Yeah.
But you might want to tell Chris that.
He knows.
Oh,
What are
okay.
you talking about? We just need to
funny?
Looks good.
Gotta let all the kids think.
No, let me pop it in the car.
Yeah, that's what right, we got and they're popping.
That way.
Put her in the pool. Just toss her in the pool. Good to go. That's a big bath.
Oh.
And it'll cool her off too.
Right hat.
Oh.
We just get a little.
Ready, Chris?
Yeah, that's good. You can start on that.
You need to lift the cake off the stand.
Okay.
I don't want to be responsible for falls. There'll be a lot of angry people.
It doesn't matter anyway. You'll blame it on him anyway.
That's exactly, well, not if I was.
Watch that.
Grayson Paisley.
Oh yeah.
No.
That would cause Chris to cry. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, nobody needs to see a grown man cry.
No.
Cry.
Is that a monkey?
Head will go off.
Is that a monkey?
Stop.
This is like the worst
Put
place.
down, that thing is expensive.
I know, then it's just
Really? Really? I know you girls are crazy. Huh? Are you guys all just done with this? Yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah.
It wasn't about you. It had nothing to do
No,
with
no,
teeny.
no,
So
no,
AB
no.
conversation, see your way out.
She really wants to go on Pearl again.
Put her in the turtle.
No, no, no.
I'm just going crazy.
Say
No,
it.
she
No,
doesn't.
no.
If she wants to go in the turtle, put her in the turtle. She
No,
can't tip
no,
over.
no.
Well, that's what we thought about the floaty yesterday. Sophia.
Oh, that thing, that was
No,
way
no, no,
Sophia,
sturdy.
Sophia.
No.
This is for you.
Sophia.
Give it to mommy. Mommy will give it to you.
Here, Addie. Hold on.
Sophia.
That's your piece, Cammy.
Addie. Addie. I got, here, Mom's got it right here. No?
Did Grandma not get you some? I'm going.
And Dad hold the plate. Here.
Oh, thank you very much.
Look,
Look, sis.
Let's see.
Oh, dang.
Okay, set it right there. Use your own spoon.
Here, Mama has it.
I'm gonna try this.
Chad.
That was running.
Want some cake?
Oh, man.
Here.
Oh, man. Another bite? Gracie, want another bite?
Fine.
Great.
Scepter of power.
No.
Tastes like strawberry
No,
ice cream.
use the
in
spoon.
there. Here.
Scepter of power. Yeah. It's like what any kid thinks when they have something in their hands. They're just like, you will do as I say.
There's a win.
Pop. Oh, bro, the TV's going down. Just need a good guess. I don't get a new one.
I was just going, what did I do with my drink?
Oh, lush.
That's right.
No.
Everybody want cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already got a piece.
Just say nobody.
Your dad does.
Absolutely no bitches.
Is it good, Sissy?
It is very good. This tastes like ice cream.
I don't like
Does
that.
it?
You're gonna give your piece to
Oh no, I rolled mine
You're
like
welcome.
to the point of ripping. And I
You
make
know,
it a
Whitney-
marshmallow, so
Hey,
it's really good.
eat your
Whitney
cake.
did a like a women's luncheon up
I don't want that. No, thank
at
you.
the church.
Sure, it's got strawberries in it.
I'm
Yep,
not
in the
a cake.
middle.
Of
I hate
Argonne
cake.
and
It's so good.
up there.
I've hated cake since I was 12
she
years
did a
old.
women's
I'm a
luncheon
cake
up there one
lover.
time. She ordered a cake.
Now, if it's a cheesecake,
Their bakery to fit back.
cheesecake, I'll eat the hell
The
out of.
fondant seriously was like they tell you to roll it like a quarter of an inch thick or more. But I roll mine into the point of ripping. Oh, I was like
Mom
sitting there
made
chewing it. I'm like,
My wife eats enough cake. Cake's too dry. And then when they add frosting, then
Thing
it's too
to go down, it's seriously.
You should try this stuff, it's really
I hate cake, man. Besides cake and beer, don't go
Chris,
very
do you want a
well.
piece?
No.
Penny? Would you like
No,
a piece?
thank you.
Okay.
I'm watching my girlish
Chris?
big figure.
Yeah, because that's what you have.
Yeah.
Grab me a
Yeah, yeah. I'm nearly girlish.
Hi, baby. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah.
They've been snacking on my cake yesterday.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, she cut off the tops and everything.
It's so
Yeah.
good, huh?
Hey, no finger
Yeah,
missing.
So
No, she had
good.
the filling and
Use your-
everything is
use your
perfect.
An
I was
extra
like,
filling.
nom nom nom.
And icing,
You all
so
caked out now.
they get all
Don't
the
need
time.
any more.
This thing is.
Are you done?
okay, it's fondant. Get down for a second, Mom. I'll get rid of it. One there you go.
Yeah, I love it.
No. No.
Grayson, Paisley. No, you come this way with mom.
Hey,
You like when Pokemon?
hey, Missy, eat your cake. Eat the cake. And you gotta have it.
Everybody that is
No.
Oh,
I see
she's
it.
doing acrobats on it, Grandma.
Hey,
There you
Leslie, hurry up and get your child. My hands are full. Shit.
go.
Grayson, oh no. I'll make sure it's slow.
Gracie,
You
you
got
come
your
here.
whole later. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
I know.
Yeah, she's going off now.
Well, you guys, we have 1.5 cakes left. Looks like you're gonna be eating cakes for the next week.
Yeah, that's crazy. Take it to work.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
we're
there
gonna
we go. Here, everybody. Eat your boy.
Hi.
Fun. Dance toys.
Nope. Dad's.
Did you? By the way, guys.
Dad's. You eat your cake.
Back to the rescue.
I would kiss her, but she's a wreck.
Oh, come on.
Right.
Give her a kiss.
It's on video.
Give her kisses. Give her a kiss.
Oh,
So
Oh, her
nice.
hand.
Yeah,
that
my
was
hand's
so
over here.
perfect.
I love you, boys. Taste this.
Hey, eat the cake.
Huh?
Eat the cake or I'm taking it away.
Come on, it all walking out.
That will stay.
Really had almost a full piece of it.
All right.
It's really good, Melissa. Really good.
Thank you.
What? Dump the plate in the garbage. Here, take this.
I went and said,
Thank you.
That's weird too, because
What's the name of it?
Really?
fondant's normally nasty.
It is.
I did my homework
No,
and I
it's
found
not.
out I didn't want to make it.
The store-bought stuff is nasty.
That is store-bought.
What happened?
she tripped over the cord and fell on her knees.
How was the knees?
Get that one a little bit. You're good. Just go get in the pool, Emil.
Yeah, go cool off in the pool.
Cool. Take it away.
Yep. She's my
Yummy.
baby.
And she's so clumsy as a freaking
She's
off.
such a whiner. Just get in.
This one took 7 stitches in the wrist and barely a crybaby.
Are you done swimming?
Yeah, this one, she got a hold of a
there
food
was
chopper
cake
at
falling over.
Jen's mom's. She took the blade out and started running with it. When she fell over, the blade sliced the wrist. She took 1 stitch inside and 6 stitches on the out.
Wow.
I'm glad it was her instead of her.
You would have been
She's-
like, I can't do this.
She's the prima
Now
donna.
I with the hand, yeah.
She's the prima donna. This one, fearless of nothing.
There's another one.
No, she didn't even jump.
There's one left on the mailbox out there.
She just went
out
like
of
this.
like
Like,
5 or
where'd that
6.
come from?
Yeah, she's.
Well,
She's a rock.
makes Tina
She's
Are you done?
laid on one before on
Hey.
her belly and it popped underneath
Are you
her.
done?
So I think that pretty
No more
much
cake?
like his.
No more
She
cake?
knows. She ain't afraid of him.
Yeah.
Looks good. Come stand in front of this thing. This thing off Sophia.
Yeah. Here, let's wipe off your hands.
Can I take your cake?
And my shirt.
Whoops.
Since you got it all over me.
Of course.
Wipe your mouth.
Yeah.
Where's your hands? You get on my hat.
Just hold it. I wiped it off. That's good.
Oh, that's a big one. I don't know. That's not gonna fit in your mouth.
Wrapper.
She might try. Let's see.
Why?
You can have it.
Don't tear it apart.
I for sure thought it was gonna be all through her hair.
She's liking it with the spoon. Scarlett's was all over her
I
head.
know.
You guys are down at the beach. Just
If you leave her there long enough, you won't have anything to
No,
clean up.
it's like it was to the point where like getting into her eyes because she got so much on her hands, and then she was like rubbing her eyes. She was tired, so she started rubbing her eyes. It got in her eyes,
Go get Mom.
and then she was really.
Usually I stick it off.
That's not yours. Where's your sippy?
Thank you.
Where'd your sippy go?
I just bought the cake. I didn't feel like it.
Say, Daddy, where's my sippy? There it is.
Yeah, the box.
Oh, it's still
There it is.
True. I had to add my eggs and then water.
Sheesh. You drink like you got a drinking problem. Where you going?
Is it not over yet? Has it gone through now?
They restarted it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Chris went out and bought it. Like a half an hour before the party. Because he got it.
We went to see it. So it's cute.
Yeah.
Where you going?
I have it for you.